pinapakita ko.
Tinabas mo doon. Tapos gusto mo naliligo. Hindi, malamig sa kabot. Tinabas mo dyan. Kaya tila mo. Mamaya pagka lagi ko na lang, tinatamad na. Sasali na maliligo muna ako. Oo nga, maliligo muna ako. Sasali na lang.
My baby has ears like little bows and a little snout nose. And you have what? How can you prove that my baby? What big ears you have? Can you tell me why they are like that? What a big nose you have. Tell me why is it like that? It is because you never listen to your mommy. So go now and think about why you behave like such a pig.
Sila lahat.
It's hard to be a parent.
Mag-comment na lang kayo. Bibigay ko.
Bear!
Gagawin
Can you
ko.
hear me? Are we very good now? Help me.
Mag-comment na lang kayo. Magawa na lang kayo ng picture ko. Papanoodin ko. Yan. Balik na daw na. Kasi akin naman kayo.
Yeah, this will be just fine.
Joke lang. Nag-joke lang ako. Pero akin talaga. Sinabi ko lang yung joke. Hindi nakabasa. Patingin ako. Yan. Ayan. Paano to, Ses? Akin to to?
We were just kind of, you know. That.
Bye-bye na po.
It sort of happened like this.
Mag-comment na lang kayo kung gusto nyo gawin. Kung gusto ko pa nang gawin. Bye-bye. Love you.